I'm now at Hutongs Airport. I'm actually going to Beijing today on a business trip. Haven't been to Beijing for almost like 3 years, I reckon. It should be good. Time to check in. So I'm already through security check. It's now 6:30. My flight is at 8. I'll actually be in Beijing for 3 days. Today, tomorrow and the day after. Now 那么严格了，要扫一下健康码。
对，扫一下健康码，他要收集和这台车接触的每一个人的信息。
哦，知道。
可以找到密接者。
哦，懂。I've arrived at the hotel. 哎，你好。没事，可以。The one the couple. Let's see. Okay, let's give you a quick tour. I guess this is a bedroom. Actually quite small. Decent. Shower, toilet. It's a cozy little room, I guess. For 2 nights. First thing I do, get into my slippers. Off to the studio. So this is the famous Lichuan restaurant, which is in a Hutong. As you can see, there's like nothing else down here. Yi Wei? 对。只来这个吧。有。你就一个鸭子是吧？其他菜需要吗？不用了。Just waiting for my duck now. Surprisingly, I'm the only one in the restaurant right now. I guess everyone's going to the fancier places now. This is my duck. Looking forward to this. Look at this big plate of fried duck bone. It's gonna be nice. My man. breakfast time. Anyhow, so. Off to the studio for shooting. It's now 12:30, just finished, and you can only see a mosque. Kinda hungry. Let's check this place out. So today's the last day and I'm gonna head back to Shanghai today. I really don't like getting old, because when you're old, no matter how late you go to sleep, you always wake up relatively early. I'm actually planning to just quickly drop by Tiananmen Square, just see it again, because it's probably been a very long time since I last saw it. My face is swollen. I just got off the taxi with my luggage. Gonna see Tiananmen Square. It's actually quite a little walk. Not really the best thing to be doing with a suitcase. It's like all these police checks. Such a nice day. I think this is as close as I'm gonna get to Tiananmen Square this time. I need to catch my flight. The airport. I miss Cherry, I miss Michaela. Can't wait to see them again. I'm at my gate, waiting to board. I'm gonna edit this video, upload all the footage and edit this video. for you guys. Hope you enjoy it. See you guys next time.